Like, people are coming in and they're like soaking wet, like they just came from the beach. Just needed a minute. That condo gets cold really fast. So we are just about to go out and eat again, but it's getting closer and closer time for us to go. We've got T-minus 2 days, technically 1.5, because the last day, Sunday, we're gonna have to trust either Sunday morning or Saturday night. We're just packing. We're just gonna be packing and packing because there's 8 of us, and so it's a lot to pack. And so maybe by I don't know how we're gonna do it this time, because we have more stuff here than when we came, especially with food, because big family, you gotta have a lot of food to keep everybody fed. So I'm really curious how that's gonna work. I shouldn't probably guess that, but I mean, what you got to do? And I'm also finally able to read my books. I'm getting a refresh on Harry Potter, because there's key things that I forget in the series. So I'm just getting a refresh on that, but it's really good. Parakeets hanging around their phone lines instead of just birds.
Wild parakeets.
That's crazy.
Hi. Hi. Hello.
We're gonna get some good food here.
Juliet, the shrimp stuff,
Yeah.
it's cream Alfredo pasta, but it has shrimp in it.
Or
So
chicken. Or chicken.
No. Oh wait,
Yes.
chicken.
Yeah.
Do you want chicken or shrimp better?
What do you think?
Shrimp.
Yeah. Duh.
I get that, but I'm probably gonna do the oiled bay.
The English.
The oiled shrimp.
Boiled tenders.
But
Oh.
you peel them.
Oh. Well. Hey. That's
Be good.
double the fun on that.
Oh yeah.
What? That is. And then there's hers. There's mine, and this is hers. This is gonna be worth it. It'll be so good. It is pouring out there. It is pouring, and the lights just flickered in here. And so, yeah, I think putt-putt is out of the question by a long shot.
Unless the rain decides to stop before we leave.
Which I feel like that's not a possibility. And I looked at the weather. It's gonna be like this again tomorrow.
I guess no.
Oh my gosh, you can like hear it. It looks like people are coming in and they're like soaking wet, like they just came from the beach.
Yeah, like they just went and jumped in the ocean.
Yeah, they're like just covered in water. So that's gonna be us.
Yes.
If we're not careful.
Yeah.
So rest in peace us.